Morena, brother.
Morena, my bro.
Get the whehea.
Pai ana me koe?
Pai. Oh, I love this waiata, my bro. It's on. Oh.
To us, bro, I hope you like the approach that we took as well.
Bro,
And,
soulful, yeah.
Bit of steez and soulful steez right up your alley, bro. You'll smash it. Yeah.
Jackson is singing Te Aomuhurangi.
It's an honour to be singing this song.
Yeah.
I know the kōrero behind it, like the basic kōrero, but it was there.
Yep.
Could you like tell me a little bit more about the waiata itself?
Yeah, bro. It was written for auntie from home, and she was like, she was the mantis. She was Haka queen from Apanui. She was staunch in her faith as a Ringatū minister, and
He tangi tō waiata kia Maka Te Aomuhurangi. Koe tētahi o ngā pauhaka, pauwhakapono, pautikanga o Te Whānau-ā-Apanui. Anō kaitahu anō ki tētahi tāona.
And then when she passed away, she left a huge hole in the iwi, and the fellow who wrote the song, Rikirangi, who wrote the song, was really close with Auntie Maka.
Ai, he tangi ke, engari, hei whakanui anō hoki i ngā paenga ona i te wā e takatū ana runga i te mata o te whenua. Me ono ho maitanga, ona mātauranga ki runga ki tōna iwi a te Whānau-ā-Apanui.
And when you say words like takukuru tongarerewa, like in that line in the song, that means you may not be by my side, but you're still a precious gem to me.
Wow.
You know, all of those things.
Every song I sing, I want to know exactly what it's about so I can try and relate to it in some way. I'm not really into just singing a song for just singing to sing it. I like to feel what the song's about and feel the wairua in it.
Man, that's beautiful, yeah. I can sing it with some mana now. Mean. mean.
But rock you, bro.
Yeah.
Just whatever you're feeling, just let it come, and leave it all on the mic, and as you will, have full confidence in that. But yeah, just to give you full liberty to just rock it how you would rock it, bro.
Oh, can't wait. And you'll be joining us later on, is it?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I'm at the airport now. I can't wait to get there.
Meanwhile, bro. Nah, can't wait. We'll see you later on.
Shop, my brother.
I haven't worked with Rob. I've done a couple of gigs. He's been on before me or after me. And just him as a person, man, he's got that energy, like positive vibes all the time. So yeah, when he reached out, I was like, oh man, yeah, hard out. I want to do this.
Are you happy to just jump into doing a pass through the whole song?
Yeah,
and
hard.
see how you feel on it?
Yeah.
And then we can come back and drop in places.
Yeah, can't wait.
Cool. All right.
Ka ore te aroha e pakikini nei taku tinana he po ka moe au ka tiro hea kei hara koe.
I was like, man, that touches home because I've lost my kuia not too long ago, and when I was in there I was trying to think of that to bring some wairua out, so yeah, that's just an amazing song.
Jack,
Yo.
you're still pronouncing it wrong.
I tikine atu ko Jackson, no te mea aha ko te tamariki a te poera, ko tōna reo eta, no mua rānu. Nā reira koina I tiki atu ai. Ko te rangatahi tērā, ko tōna taipakeke tērā, ana ko te reo he whakarata mai I ngā taringa o ngā mea pakeke.
What? Can't hear it.
Do you want to go in the room with him again and just don't make any noise while you
Could you do your hand thing again?
She's going to come in the room with you again and...
Sorry. Alright.
I like singing like old school soul songs, so some like parts of the tracks on the 1 beat where I would sing it on the 2 beat, but yeah, it's little things like that I sort of just feel it out. I feel like when I feel it, it more or less, it comes naturally, so I just do me sometimes. Yeah.
Can you hear me, bro?
Yeah.
Just some feedback around some of the H's to push some of the H's out.
Alright.
Aroha, haere, haere atura, and hotu. And then the last, aroha, iaho. Is that the lyrics on the end?
Oh,
there?
yeah, just yeah.
The
I'm already reading it. Yeah.
Push the E out in that one.
E.
Yeah. That's it.
H and E.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, can't wait.
Sure, bro.
Obviously, I'm not fluent in Māori, but I've always wanted to, start that journey of learning my reo. And I want to always get the pronunciation right. That's why it's good to have everyone in the room to make sure that's all on track. So, yeah. Yeah, I think that one might be, I think that's the keeper, that one.
E ahua ua nā mea kei te waiata i roto i te ao waiata pūoro o Māori nei. Wete o mātou karekau e reo. Engari kei ko nā te ngākau me te hiehie. Kia takahia te tahi ara, kia whaia te tahi ara. Nā reira mā te huarahi nei, ka āhia.
Hei, kua nei, rae kui aere haere atura. I feel like it all came together in the end when I've had that final listen. I was just like, yeah, it felt right. I didn't want to put too many harmonies or anything in there because I wanted to keep the song raw, and like, because those melodies and how he wrote it is just beautiful. If you keep, sometimes less is more. That's what I've figured out. So with that particular song, I feel like it related to that. So yeah. Paki kini nei, taku tinana. He po ka moea, he ao ka tiro hea, kei hea rā koe. Au e te aroa, he kai kino nei au. Mairoa, e hae hae nei, taku tinana, haere rā te Aomuhurangi, I runga i te Te ki